Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what our assets is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What are assets? An asset is a resource with economic value that an individual, corporation, or country owns or control with the expectation that it will provide a future benefit. Assets are reported on a company balance sheets. They classified as current, fixed, financial, and intangible. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what our assets is all about. It is very important for us to have some basic accounting knowledge about these terms and jargons that are beneficial to everyone. Thank you so much for your support in watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.